Yo! Good morning, family. Welcome in. As you guys can tell by the title, unfortunately, we're not trading our Take Profit Trader accounts. We also had a great Friday, made 20K. Can't trade them today, though. Have to trade these Apex accounts because, I don't know, my first payout would Take Profit Traders, so I'm not sure how quick their process is, but I put my request in and still haven't been approved yet, so we got to be patient. Wait for them to take the money out so we can get paid. And it says I'm muted. I don't think I'm muted, actually, King. Normally I would agree, but this time it says I'm not. Can you hear me? Can you hear me at all, work? Good morning, King. Mad Max, Danny, can y'all hear me? Am I actually muted right now? I don't want to be muted. I can hear. Let's have a great weekend ahead of us, brother. May the opportunity be blessed. I love it. I'm glad you can hear, Max. Thanks for the validation. K-Rise, good morning, King. I can hear you. Let's go, Danny. How was the weekend, family? What everybody do? How's everybody feeling? I got to adjust my display here. I don't know why it's all messed up, but let's get this aligned with how it should be. Let's get this all aligned with how it should be. For some reason, it's looking jank. Wait, what? For some reason, this was all messed all up. Much better. Much better. Oh, there you go. I was about to mention that. That's work. Oh, I have my volume down. That's hilarious. But yeah, I'm in a cast. Got a CT scan this morning. Tore a tendon and broke a piece of bone. Fun times. Queen. God damn. Testing you outside of the markets. But hey, overall, I'm glad you're decently okay. I know that's not fun to be dealing with that, but when I'm always in tough things or tough moments or tough situations, I'm trying to think about the people that have it worse. I know it's not. People tell me that's not actually a healthy way to cope, but it's what I do. So, anyways, I hope you get better fast, Queen. Get better super quick. Maybe make some monies on the NASDAQ will help heal up some tendons as well, huh? I think I've heard that. I think tore tendons are I think a perfect remedy for that is money in the NASDAQ. Amen, Danny. May you get better, Queen. Let's go. Was hoping the CT scan would come back fine, but oh well. It's just 3 weeks for this one. Something's got different plans for you right now, Queen. Sure is, Todd. Absolutely, Danny. That's what I heard. I mean, just from the little bit of information I know about, medicine, it's like, hey, when you have tore tendons, one of the greatest quick results too. You can get really fast results. You can get some money from the NASDAQ. It's like, oh, I'm better. Morning, family. Like it up. Let's go, GPT. Good morning, King. Family, I love y'all. Stopping in so bright early. Market is not even opened yet. Let's make some cash today. I'm trading my Apex accounts today. I have 10 of them. I would be trading my Take Profit Trader accounts. Obviously, we had a really nice Friday. We made 20 grand. We could withdraw half of it, but I can't trade them. I'm not sure how quick their process is for payouts, but I haven't been approved, so we're waiting for that to trade more of them. Rise and shine. Let's make some money. Don Dula. Absolutely, King. Lots of monies. The only way we know how, right, Queen? Let's go. Good morning, Kings and Queens. Let's have some fun. Corey, I love it. Great energy. Welcome in. Happy Monday. Guys, opportunities. Big week. Let's find it. Let's be patient. Get what we can. And yeah, anyone else excited about the little crypto rally we're getting? A little bit of movement in the markets finally. Look at this downward hourly trend. Looks gross. Take a look at the daily real fast as a group. See what we see here. So far, a pretty crazy opening range. 400 points to the upside. God, let me trade my TPT accounts. Isn't it in your wallet? I think they take it out right away. I hope you're right, Queen. Let me look, because I don't think so. But I didn't know that that's a wallet. I didn't know it's a real thing. Withdrawal requests. No, it doesn't say that. So what I see is my pro accounts. Go to this account. And if I hit withdrawal. Oh my God, now I gotta do my MFA multi-factor authenticator or whatever it is. What is it? So this is what I see. It says your requested withdrawal blank has been sent. The amount includes the amount you are receiving in commission. Our admins are busy to check the withdrawal value. As soon as they finish, you will get a confirmation email and your withdrawal button becomes green. Then you can press where it is. But that's where I'm at with all 5 of the accounts. Yeah, so I don't think so yet. Not quite yet, Queen, but we're coming. We're going for it. NASDAQ looks like we have some opportunity today, family. First time takes the longest. That's why I assume 2 max. Morning, fam. Welcome in, Paul. Good morning, King. They put it in your wallet, and from your wallet, they send it to you. I don't know. I guess I'm probably just because it's my first one. Good morning, King. Not traded funded account. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, my man. Good morning, King. No, not today. Like I just they are unapproved right now. So I just put my request in. Still haven't been approved for the 10K. So I got to wait. Obviously, it's not ideal. Market just opened up, family. But look at our daily range. 400 points. Nothing but bullishness on the daily so far. Hourly, kind of telling us the same thing. Kind of breaking out of this trend. So let's see what we can find for opportunity here. But yeah, I wish I was trading them, Corey. I really do. Matrix, I do. When did you make that request to TPT? Yesterday or sometime this weekend. W's, tax forms filed out. Tax forms, I have not yet. Is that what they send you, Bobby? Do I have to send that before I can get approval or something? I haven't seen it yet. Either way, we'll be patient. We'll trade our Apex account. See, maybe we can get some price actions here before we actually flip over. NASDAQ reaching higher. We're quite a bit away from the VWAP already, so I don't know. Patience. Let's see what we can find. See what we can do. I still got to adjust this chart for some reason. I want y'all to be able to see my numbers. You can't right now. Jeez, I don't know why this thing got so messed up, but it's not fortunate. A little bit closer there. There we go. Now y'all can at least see my numbers. Yeah, we just gotta be patient, and then we'll be able to take our payout and then trade some more with them. So maybe it's a good thing. Maybe today I'd lose money on them. So we'll see. Even though it's a 400-point range is kind of what you want as a trader. And right now we're opening at the very high of it. Look at the opening print price and the lows, and now we're at the highs. So this daily candle is nothing but green right now. Good morning, bro. Let's go, Pat. Good morning, King. Happy Monday. Hope you're feeling great. I know you're getting soon to be trading those accounts, King, so I'm excited for you. Very excited for you. How far above are we? We're at 150 points above VWAP right now. And we just swept through the overnight high. I mean, I don't know what I don't know, but I wouldn't mind trying to find some short action here. But we might as well just be patient, see what happens. What's up, bro? James, good morning, King. How you feeling? How you doing? Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. You got time with the loved ones, or just got to do some special things, or had some good food, or something special. Got to relax, do something you've been wanting to do. That's what the weekends are for, right? Just refreshing, getting yourself ready for the week. Let's see what the old ES is doing here. And Danny, you officially got me watching both of them. It helped me a lot on my Friday trade where I was watching ES front run the NASDAQ, so it gave me a little bit of confidence. Crude oil selling back off to 94s. We flash into the hundreds. We don't like seeing that. Not a very good thing to see, actually. Strong close there at the 933 candle. Well above that opening range high. Continuing this daily candle for nothing but bullishness. Still got the TPT accounts. I do, Pat. We are waiting for a payout approval. I sent my request in, and now we're just waiting for approval. They haven't taken the funds out yet, so I can't trade them. That's why I'm trading these Apexes today. But tomorrow or whenever I get approved, I'll be back with the TPT accounts. Yo, Ty, how are you? Spitzy, good morning, King. Good seeing you. Appreciate you for being here. I'm doing well, man. Doing really well. We had a nice little welcoming home from vacation. Traded some TPT accounts. Got my first payout there. So, overall, you can't complain. Overall, I cannot complain. and then hopefully we can keep that momentum rolling and then grab another one or so out of there. NASDAQ selling back off into the range here. Had a really strong bullish close at the 700s. Now we're bouncing. Let's go, Pat. The energy king. I love it. Bright and strong. Guys, it's been so weird getting back from vacation. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I've just had no motivation to do, like, simple shit. Like, I'm working out, and I'm trading. But outside of that, like, I'm not on my phone. I'm not even opening Instagram. I haven't been posting my shorts. I haven't been doing anything, so. You guys, if you feel weird and you feel unmotivated right now, you're not alone. Thinking on this next vacay? Yeah, Spitzy. Thinking of returning, buying a home in Hawaii. That's why my dopamine's been drained, because Hawaii just took everything from me. So I just want to go back so bad. I realize how much I dislike where I'm at. Good morning, family. New week. Let's make some money. Let's make the green stuff, TLR. Good morning, King. Appreciate you for being here as always, brother. Love the energy. We are in a 1 hour supply right here. Watch the reaction. 1 hour supply above. Yes, we are. You can see it right here. That we already rejected from as well. That's what this previous wick is. It feels like it wants to hunt, but we'll see what happens. Pobby. Good morning, King. Let's get some money. Let's get focused. Appreciate you for being here. Just past 10 Apex 50K's end of day on the first day. Had some luck today. Spitz, that's sexy, buddy. Good job. That right there is what we want. 1 day pass on the Apex accounts. Passing 10 50Ks is sexy. I'm about to try that right now. See if we can get through today. I've never been really good with this intraday trailing. I bought the intraday, not end of day, so we'll see how it goes. Slowly, you'll get back into the swing of it. Don't rush it. You're coming out of vacay mode. That's what it feels like, Pat. Just bleh. You know what I mean? Like, he had so much dopamine coming for that week. I just felt so relaxed, felt so comfortable. Just had everyone I cared about around me. And now I'm back to just the mundane grind. And it's a little bit harder than I expected. I thought I'd bounce back like nothing. Thought my grind would just continue like it never stopped. But it's like, bro, it's like restarting a Mack truck. I had a lot of momentum going, but now to get the wheels turning again is feeling like energy. Let's go, Spitzy. Absolutely, Pat. Way to show some love. What's up, Kings? Mark, what up, King? Feeling good, feeling great. It's a Monday, a strong opportunity. The NASDAQ, we have over a 430 point range. So the opportunity to make money today feels very strong. We're in an hourly supply right now, opening up, finding a little bit of resistance at these 700s. See what happens here. I'm going to let 15 minutes develop. Family, there's already 30 incredible, beautiful people watching this morning, spending time being a part of this community. If you haven't yet, let's smash the love button right away. Get that 30 like stream goal crushed so we can just, show the algorithm that we're back. You know what I mean? Just be like, hey, look, 30 likes instantaneously. Start pushing us. How much do you withdraw from TPT accounts? We have 5 accounts, and each one's around like 2,500, 25, 20, 30, 40, around there. So it's over a 12,500 payout. They take their 20%, so it's like a 10 grand, a little over 10 grand in the bank. Can't complain, Spitzy. Can't complain. It's a very good Friday. We had a 20K day on Friday. The market was just very kind to us. We got to catch some of that momentum to the sell side. And then since then, we've just been buying up the same amount of points. So we'll see if we can grab any of it. Good morning, King. Hope you're doing well. Me just laying around with a cold, but couldn't keep my eyes from the charts. Still in my challenge eval. Getting closer and closer to hopefully passing soon. You absolutely will, Rich. Proud of you for being here, even in your lowest of energy, not feeling the best. Sometimes, you want to take the time off. You don't feel good, but I also like to just get some screen time. So be proud of yourself for being here. Do what you can. Find a good trade and get through that eval today or soon. I believe in you. I'd be happy with that, LOL. Yeah, for sure, Max. Nah, no complaints. We're very happy. Haven't taken a payout in months. Feels weird. That does feel weird. The drawdown period of a trader is so interesting, especially when you come off of making consistent money, consistent payouts, and then you just hit a little lull and start going sideways a bit. It's a weird feeling, but keep your confidence high, Spitzy. You're a great trader. It's only a matter of time. Probability will come back around, and eventually the market goes through cycles, right? It ebbs and flows. Sometimes it's respect strategies. Sometimes it disrespect strategies, and whatever your specific thing that you're looking for right now isn't firing, but it will start turning on again soon, and you won't even be expecting it, and then start hitting money again. So just keep showing up and be ready to greet it when it comes, That's what it takes to be a trader. You got to have the perseverance, even when you're not making money. The confidence to know that it's going to return. I kind of want to find a short up around these 700s, family. It's before the 15-minute range is formed, so it's a little bit lower probability for me, but What I do like about it is that we have a strong wick below, and we're at a 430 point candle to the upside of just opening higher, so it's worth a little bit of risk. Trying to find a spot now for shorts, I think. Let's see where we can find it. Again, we're already 100 and, at this point 20 points above the VWAP, so getting a little bit of a reaction towards balance wouldn't be abnormal at this point. We are opening still towards a high. This daily candle is going to have some type of a pullback. Midpoint of the day is down around 518 or so, so we have some range to go. We want to find a short. You can have opportunity. Obviously, right now, we are in a bullish candle for the day, but, you've seen the NASDAQ turn this truck around quickly before, so I would take shorts in around this previous swing. I wanted the 7s, but I realize now looking at this swing high that the 686 was better. I'm going to try one here. Oop. What do I need? I have 10, so I need 10. I'm going to sell a market right up here at these 690s.
Order filled.
I'm going to sell a market right up here at these 690s. Oh my god, I'm only in one contract. Oh wait, no I'm not. Alright, I thought it was only a one account, but I ended up getting it. Alright, NASDAQ, now we're in with you. Can you show us some more support back through this swing low and start taking out this wick? I want to see the daily opening print price get taken out as well. We are affecting our drawdown slightly right now, but nothing crazy yet. Only 10 points, 8 points or so. Want to see this thing start cutting through the 60s, the 70s, and then maybe this opening swing price. I would love to be able to hold it just and hold this thing, but I'm in intraday trailing, so I have to be willing for snipes and scalps. It makes trading so much harder for me, having to look for scalps and snipes. On one account, I hit my PDLL, but break even. On the other account, I took a short scalp 4 minutes ago with 500 bugs in the greens. 500 buys in the greens. Finding some selling right now. Come on, Nazi. I will lock myself out. Protecting is a part of the trading lesson learned. Absolutely. Capital protection and reservation is a huge part of trading. So I'm glad you got that, Richner. Huge lesson to have, King. Like I said, everything that we learn in this game, family, turns around to be ginormous in your success later on. Like, at a time where it's relevant, you're going to protect an account that you needed to protect later on, and it's going to help you out massively. I'm going to try another short up here, family, I think. Try a second one.
Order filled.
I'm in 2 contracts now. Now we really got to start paying attention to intraday trailing, right? We really got to be cautious. I want to see a nice quick rejection of this EMA and this previous swing high. We might get a little bit of drawdown back towards the 7s, but I want to see the sellers take over right here. Go ahead and get heavy now. Take out new lows. We're in 2 contracts per account up at the 88s. Looks like we might be shorting that supply. Try to join bias, guys. Be patient. I like it, Pat. We just took out the new lows there with that candle wick down to the 670s, 80s. Are we going to get continuation? I am in the apex, family, so we got to be smart with our intraday trailing. But I have confidence in this. It's looking decent. I don't want to see a wick here, though, right? We got to see a big black, no wick. We're almost getting aligned with our 15 minutes. See the market give us one more candle. Let's see one more candle closure, get all the information. I want to see this start printing heavy. We are affecting our drawdown, so I got to be cautious. We're up $600-700, so that's $600-700 less of drawdown than I'm going to have if we go ahead and start firing the other side. I should be putting my break even on soon, but I want one more candle closure. Come on, Naz, you get heavy through here, and I put my break even on. Buy 10 stops. It's enough for me to at least put break evens on coming into this swing. And then, yeah, let's get our 15-minute ready. Shapes, rectangular. Here's our 15-minute low. Here's our 15-minute high. We're coming into 50% of it. I don't love that. I want to see some weight through here. We're really at a tough price at the 688, so we could go retest the 7s before we actually fall off. I gotta get more comfortable with snipes, but the thing is, just so against my trading. You guys saw on Friday what I really like, right? I like to be able to get in a position, hold that thing until it delivers where I want to see it deliver. That's just my strength, but everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. NASDAQ starting to respect these 660s, coming back up towards our break even. Might get flashed out.
Stop filled.
Bummer. We did too. We got tagged. Oh, that was only one of my contracts. Well, that's not good. So we only got tagged out of one of our contracts there. I forgot to update it to 20. Oh, shit. So now our drawdown is 800 less than we want, because we were up 800 in profit there. And yeah, now we're, down 300. So overall, 1100 swing in our drawdown. This is why the Apex is so tough. Get there, Nasty. Let's go. No fading. Take that shit to the moon like always. I love it. Let's go, work. What a buy candle, sweeping through the top of the 15-minute range. We got to be cautious now. If we get a closure around there, I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to sell my contract. I should have already closed, but got cooked a little bit there. Into the 720s. NASDAQ finding some bids. Really strong closure there. A lot of volume. Can we get continuation? If not, I like our short still. Just going to have to be patient for it. Got to see an immediate reclaim towards this side and rejection of the highs. Anything less than if we can close back inside here, I like it a little bit, but it's going crazy. Danny said ES is going up. I appreciate it, Queen. Dang, ES is going up. Same candle, breaking through the highs with a candle of most volume. So they're confluence right now. Crazy reaction from the longs. They accepted it. I mean, they accepted the 670s. I still have reasons to think it. I want to see how this candle closes, and then I'm going to have my stops above this new swing and just take the risk as it is. We very much could be wrong. I kind of already meant to be stopped out of this too. I put my break even on, but I forgot that I didn't update it for 2 contracts. So we'll see what happens. I like the way this candle's pushing out. That makes me think the longs are going to get continuation. Here's an attempt right now. All right. Longs are absolutely accepting higher prices here. Crazy that we're pushing this daily candle higher after being up over 450 points now. But the NASDAQ, that's what she does. She's up 1.3% today, guys. We kind of love seeing that long term. Good morning, Jeremy. Welcome in, King. As always, appreciate you for showing up, being a part of the community. If you're watching, drop the likes, chat. Be patient, wait for your setup. Drop the likes. It means a ton, family. There's 41 people, guys. We only need 30 to hit our stream goal of 30 per stream. So if you're here showing some value, showing some love, getting blinded by lights, go ahead and smash that button. Support the stream. Right now we're down 800, and our drawdown got affected by 800. So we're 1,600 now on this trade that we've given up. Last candle for me. I want to see a reaction towards this high. Otherwise, I'm closing this. Keep an eye on what the ES is doing at the moment. Still pushing for higher bids. RSI looks high, but doesn't really matter too much. The new slash next cons price almost at 25K. Yeah, that's up there, Max. That's what I'm saying. That's why we got to start finding maybe a reaction towards balance, but we'll see. Right now, the NASDAQ is pushing for higher. Here we go, back inside of the 15-minute range. Got to see a good closure here, right? We got to see if we want to start seeing our breaking reclaim of the 15-minute range. One of our classic trades. We got to see some weight here. Ideally, this EMA gets no reaction. So we'll break and reclaim. There's an effort back towards our price now. That's giving me confirmation. That could be a break and reclaim. If we got to give up some support at this EMA, though, I don't want to see a wick. Reason I like this for our strategy families, we're breaking back inside of the 15 minutes after having a ton of volume to push higher and inability to actually take higher prices. Makes me almost want to try another contract up here as well. I'm going to try another contract at the high of the 15-minute range at the 716s, and then my stop loss is going to be above high a day by like 3 points or 2 points with all of it. If I can go ahead and get in, maybe not though. It's a nice trade, though. Finally coming back in our direction. Now we just got to get a little bit more love. I like the rejection of this range. Gives me confirmation in our 15-minute break and reclaim. All I got to do now is just wait. Possibly get a re-entry at the top of the 15-minute range for the 716 short. My stops above will be at the 36s. If I get in. If not, we'll see. Slightly more volume there too. Might be time to roll the cons forward this week for sure. Definitely, Max. I think you're right, King. Definitely this week for sure. Give me a little snap. Touch my price there. No fill though. It's dirty. That's dirty. To touch me right there like that, a little inappropriately, and no fill is crazy out of the NASDAQ. Would have been a beautiful top tick for a re-entry at the top of the 15. Still like our direction though. Gives me confidence in the failure of breaking higher through this volume. When you get that much volume and you guys do not get continuation, it is always a possible sign of a reversal, right? Because if all these contracts are getting filled but we're not pushing higher, then what contracts are really getting filled? Short contracts, right? So this was filling a ton of shorts. Filling a ton of shorts is how I read that. And right now we're getting flashed back towards our break even, but no confirmation. The EMA is still somewhat supporting. We just got missed on our re-entry there. Might give me one more chance here to get tagged. Still looking for another short maybe. Wow, that entry would have been perfect. It would have been a just perfect little top tick. Still hoping to get some love, but it's feeling like it's not gonna. And then my stops, if I do get filled in this, are going to be above the new highs at the 737s or so. If we get filled in at the 716s for our second contract, and honestly, this second contract, this trade I'm looking to get filled in is my classic break and reclaim of the 15-minute range. It's it's more high quality than my original entry. We got a decent original entry, but the problem was we were just before the 15 minutes, right? So we were always susceptible to some weird volatility or some randomness. But right now, we're just being patient. I want to see the NASDAQ give us a little tickle, but she's still threatening at this EMA. Bids could still win here as well. Volume's completely dropped off. They tried to break through the bottom of the 15, or through the 15. They're finding a little bit of resistance. We could find another long volume candle here. It's just when you get that much volume and price doesn't continue, it's not super strong. Getting still threatened. Cannot believe we just got missed on that last entry there. That'd been gorgeous. NASDAQ trying to get back up through the EMA again here. Crazy. Just crazy, family. Show me a big black. No way. Get us back into break evens here. Back into the green. And then I could probably just look for a lower on this thing. I should have already... a second contract would have been gorgeous there, honestly. Family, there's 38 people watching. I'm going to keep asking because I really want to see that 30 like smash goal be smashed. Honestly, the stream on Friday got so many likes. I'm guessing it's because we took a 10K payout. But holy shit, we had like 48 likes or something, like 50 likes on that stream right now. It's crazy. NASDAQ just flashing us back into being on the green side, tickling us. Now we're at a battle price. I want to see the seller start winning here. Should be pretty aggressive. Imagine we got that second contract fill up there. We'd be stunning right now. We'd be stunning right now if we got that second contract fill up there. Again, this candle had so many orders get filled, right? So many orders get filled. The volume was incredible, but we couldn't push any higher. What does that usually indicate? Is that the contracts that were getting filled weren't necessarily just buys, right? I still like shorts here. I want to find another spot to get the second contract. I cannot believe how close we were to getting our fill. What is that? 0.5. So we were half a point off. Lovely. Lovely. I feel decent about this. We got our drawdown back at least. You know, we were looking a little wobbly. We had 800 in profit, so it took our intraday trailing by 800. So we can only look for 48,800 now, and then we are down 40 points for another 800. But we're coming back, only down 10 points now. NASDAQ pushing back up into the EMA. I still like bids, shorts a lot. Just got to find a good spot for it. Maybe the 700s now could be a nice spot to get a good option. We're at the 7s now. I'm interested in trying it. Would have really loved to get filled at the 716s though. Be patient, family. That's all we can do. That's all we can do is be patient. You know what I'm saying? I'm sell biased. I'm sell biased as well, Pat. See what we can find, King. Let's get some monies. And we're off. And we're off, bub. Off the tee box. Off the hole one. Man, what a feeling. Welcome in, Saucy. Good morning, King. Dow's up 1%. NASDAQ up 1.2%. ES up 1.14%. Decent day. And I'm still looking for the sells right now. NASDAQ has a total range of 450 points. We're still near the highs of it. We had a rejection towards the top of the 15. We pushed up through, set new high of the day, and then rejected pretty strong. So a break and reclaim is on the board. That's what I'm seeing. Atanas opens Thursday. Yikes, there's no way. Talk about muddy golf. I mean, I'd be down to put on some shit kickers and go play. Ruin our clubs. Not the full course. Got you. Well, they open like the first 9 or something. NASDAQ respecting our price again, giving us another option. Another rejection of these 700s. I want to see the seller start picking up here. Coworker thinks maybe 12 holes. 12 holes. I mean, it's not 0 holes, so. Talk about money, though, huh? Oh, my nose. Itchy nose. There was a demand formed with the giant buy candle. We have to break through that bottom or longs might hold. Yep, we did. We created a hold, and right now it is being supported, but I still think sellers are winning right now. Again, we have 450 points of a range, and we have a strong rejection at the top, so we'll see, though. Very much could be wrong. Trying to get I still have my contract in here at the 716s to get filled. I still like it. I have to come down a little bit, probably. I'm going to come down a little bit into the 715s.
Order filled.
Just got added into that second contract. If they push us above this new swing high, I'm going to be out of here. So I got to go 20 and buy 20 stops. So my stop loss is now in above the swing high by a few points. Want to see it protected, or we're just going to get sniped through and be wrong. Do want to see some effort back towards this 15-minute range, though. Want to see this swing high be protected. That's all we want to see, is see that swing high be protected now. Offering us a little bit of both back and forth action here. What are we going to get? What are we going to see? Feels like they want it. Feels like they want my stop loss.
Stop filled.
It did, in fact, feel like they wanted my stop loss. Wait, what? Account switch to liquidate only mode due to daily loss limit. There's a daily loss limit? I thought I bought the... Oh, 48.6. So we lost the 800 drawdown. So yeah, these accounts are busted then. Damn, family. That's why intraday is tough, right? I assumed I still had some money left, but I do not because of the because of that. Because we are up $800, so it takes your drawdown from you. All right. Well, I guess I gotta buy some more Apex accounts. Especially because it feels like we're about to be the top tick scenario here, as always. I really want to be trading our TPT accounts. But we can't, so. Oh, what a beautiful thing that I'm about to feel like I was the absolute top tick. You can't even make it up. Excuse me. Look at this beautiful reaction here. I am top tick McGee over here. Maybe not though. Maybe she'll turn around here. Feels like she wants to. Dismiss and get off my screen. Jeez. Alright, let's purchase some more now. So intraday trailing 50K. I only need to purchase 9 because I already had one. Oh, look at me. Just being absolute top tick of the world over here, guys. You seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? How unfortunate. No, I just want to make sure you guys see it. You know, I just want to make sure you guys see what happened to me. Yep. You can't make it up. Can't make it up. Yep. No, it's fine, NASDAQ. I get it. You were really nice to me on Friday, so you're going to be weird to me. That's fine. I mean, I understand. I'm not upset with you. Like, I understand the way that it works. Like, I get it. You know, she's got her own thing going on, and it's like, you can't keep a gooper from gooping, so. That does hurt my feelings, though. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Like, I just needed a little bit of love there, NASDAQ, and the selling comes in just after I get tagged. It's all for naught, though, because we still have our TPT accounts, and we're going to get paid again on them, hopefully. Maybe that's what this is setting up. Maybe that's what this is setting up for me, huh? I like shorts more. Buyers are clearly the ones winning right now, but I think I still like shorts more. Although they are still holding the top of the 15-minute range, so they could continue to find bids. Even though we had that candle that was pretty aggressive for the sellers, it was a big wick, and we couldn't continue lower, so could easily keep chopping, keep finding more bids. You never know what you don't know. Three more accounts to purchase, family. Final 2 now. NASDAQ still auctioning towards the highs. I really would like this for a sell right now. At these previous swing at these 730s, I'd be looking for shorts. Granted, I've been smoked, so maybe it's direction bias, but we are getting support at this 680 price. Confirmation that we are holding that. One more account to purchase here. Oh my god, I just fucked it all up. Those 730s, I told you I like them. Of course, I don't know anything because I already got smoked today, but that's what I liked. That is what I liked. Alright. I believe I did all the purchasing I needed to do. Bella, good morning, Queen. Welcome in. Hope you're feeling great. Happy Monday. Hope you're doing amazing. Hope your weekend was good. I always give my stop a little more room past the zone. Should have, Pat. I just couldn't afford it, unfortunately. 12 more likes, family. Let's go, family. There's 34 people watching. We only need 12 more to hit our 30 like stream goal, which means 18 of you incredible people have already supported the stream. If you have not yet, let's show some love. Or as Work says, burr on them likes. All right, I think we have the purchases that we need. Let me refresh, confirm. It's only saying 18, even though I know I just bought more than 18. Let me confirm on my bank real quick. Like I said, because of the new Apex stuff, I feel like the dashboard's a little slower than it used to be, but obviously we can be a little understanding since things are never going to be perfect all the time, but I like sellers here. Like I said, that previous 730 felt pretty strong. Let's check how many times I bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I bought 9 and I already had 1, so I officially do have them all, which means I do not need any more, Nazi. There it goes. It refreshed. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this, reopen it, reload it. It's always when I'm out of the trade when things get fucking... when they start playing out. God dang it. Let's get back in there, do it again. You know what I'm saying? Can we just talk about the fact that I was bottom Sigma McGee, but now we're coming back up towards these highs. All right, I gotta get this set up so I can purchase or so I can get in there. Manage groups, delete this group. See you later. Now we're gonna do 10, 50K's, bang. Starting with 51. 52, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So now I go to 10 50K's and put on 151. Sellers are just strong right now. It's just what it is, family. I mean, buyers are very stubborn up at these highs right now. It's hard to exactly read, but I still like shorts, so I'm gonna wait for another sweep of this range, and then I'm gonna try to find a bid. Go to 10 contracts and sell the market up here. Might even go 20. I'm gonna go 20 contracts. Reason being is I'm looking for less of a move, right? There's a sweep through the range of the 745s. I'm about to join these shorts. This momentum and direction is just unsustainable after already being up almost 500 points on the day. I say that, but the Nasdaq can do whatever it wants, of course. Be patient. Find an opportunity here, fellas. Everything is bullish, man. Look at the 30-minute. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it does look pretty bullish. Strong closure on the 30-minute as well. Strong closure on the hourly. But we're in the supply still. This momentum just cannot continue for the whole day, is all I'm saying. So there's going to be a spot where we start turning around. So I'm just going to be patient and wait for that option. I mean, you can always buy, too. I mean, metal. You can always find a buy and just join the side of the winners right now, but... You could buy and just snipe and scalp. That'd actually be fairly effective as well. We've just been so short heavy lately that it's just easier to find bids all the time. And if you look at this daily chart, I mean, look at this candle. Into the EMA at the daily EMA. We could see more, but it just feels like this is... We could... I mean, I think we could close around here. It just feels like we're just, you know... Eventually. That balance thing. Gonna go find it. Gonna go find that balance thing. Strong recovery off the NASDAQ, though. It really is. I thought NASDAQ will drop after all what's going on recently. Economics, politics. I'm curious about the news this week. It's going to be interesting for sure, Richner, but it is... That's how we always feel. Always feels like it doesn't exactly follow economics exactly the way that it should. Here's another strong sell-off. 25.27. I want to see if sellers step in. Up at the 25,000. That's a bit away, Santiago, but I like it. I like your direction, King. All right, King, I'm done for the day. Getting base hits is enough for me. That's what it's got to be, Matrix. Proud of you. Good trading. Way to stab it. Show up, look for your move, and be out. Look at this little trend line that we're observing, family. I want to see us come find that. And does this update down here at all? You know? I'm going to try one here. Trying to get in here at the 739.50 for 2 contracts. It's teasing me on an entry. Every time it wants it, it just doesn't give me it. It's a little late for sure, but not really. I still put my order in. How much were we off this time? Half a point again. I love it. Tag me. Tag me, NASDAQ. How are you still going to do me so dirty? Can't make it up. All right, touch and go here. A little touchy. Let's tap it in. Just tap-a-roo. Tap me in, Nazi. Wow. And the way that we're auctioning is once we do tap, we're going to fly.
Order filled.
All right, tapped officially. Now you can go ahead and reject. You know, that's all. Now I'm happy to see a rejection here, Queen. Just wanted to see a little bit of love out of you. Just needed a little bit of support to be a part of it. And now that we're in, you can now go ahead and sell off. I would not be upset now. Come on, Nazi. Sell off here. Classic bear flag at the top of the range, looking for continuation towards this trend line. If we're wrong, we'll be wrong, and it'll be easy to tell. What does go for lucid mean? At metal. Go for lucid. I think maybe go for lucid, bro. Oh, he's talking about the prop firm. He wants me to trade lucid. Lucid, they're a good option. Lucid is a great prop firm. They're taking over right now, but trading apexes. Want to get while they have the discount. It's just so worth it. Come on, NASDAQ, sell through here now. Show me some weight. Or it's going to keep trickling and opening towards these highs. What a candle. What a wick and doji there on the longs. The amount of bids that are being filled up here is crazy. No weakness in the longs at all. We could just keep taking out highs, but eventually, no. Is this a crypto trading app? What does the go for lucid mean? Is it Brian, crypto, lucid is its own prop firm. So like right now I'm trading on Apex. I have been trading on TPT recently, Take Profit Trader. They're all their own prop firm. Lucid is its own prop firm. Crypto, it's just a different space. I'm going to be above this new high by a few points. Feels like longs are still holding though. Come on, sellers. Do the thing now. Have we not trapped enough liquidity? Have we not trapped enough liquidity? Push lower. I want to see us push a bit lower here. Really get us in the green and making the money. That's what I need. What do we have for payouts this year? Dun, 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 dun. I have to look. Off the top of the noggy, I don't remember quite. Don't remember specific. Off the top of the noggy. After this next one, it'll be about 25K, Pat. Can we get this to sell through here a bit more? I like it. Long-term control, don't fade bias, guys. I am fading too. Random, but Friday stream now has 51 likes. Yeah, Saucy, that's what I was saying. They enjoyed the payout. Make sure to drop the likes. Let's go. Let's go, Pat. Way to show some love. Can we beat Friday? What? Today is the day, family. We have 32 people in here. We could smash our stream goal of 30 likes. NASDAQ pushing back up through our price all over again. The bids are crazy. Down 880 Gs. Danny, I'm sorry, Queen. That is tough. Today is a very tough day. Unless you're obviously just smashing the bids. Today's a tough day to trade. Weirdly weird price action. So I'm low-key grateful I'm not trading my TPTs, but we'll see. Let's get 40 likes. I've seen 40 last couple of videos. It is pocket change. We can get 40 likes in here. I know we could. We can at least hit our 30 like stream goal, family. Let's hit that 30 likes. If y'all are in here showing some love, support the stream. Pop out, hit that love button. And that is pocket change. In fact, Saucy, that's nothing. She's a short queen. She's going to find the bid here soon and start crushing it. She's going to find the ask. NASDAQ's taking my lunch money right now, though. We're down 660, 700. There's a new high. What crazy price action. And then the sellers load up again. It's just gross back and forth. Which means you should be able to take money. Every time we take out a new high, we sell off aggressively. Then we take out a new high, then we sell off aggressively. Look, new high, sell off aggressively. 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 So, that's the pattern that we're getting. Is that enough liquidity? Do you have finally enough liquidity to push lower? Is that what we're saying here? Or are we just going to continue to do the same narrative and push a little bit higher than big sell-off? Hit DLL. Damn. That's what they had. That's what they're there for, Danny, to protect you, Queen. Seriously, that's how many times we've done that. 1, 2, 3, 4 different times. We keep barely taking on a new high, and then we're selling off wicked aggressive with the next couple candles. So this feels like the same thing, unless finally we have enough liquidity to actually push a bit lower. cut through this trend line now. Start showing me some weight. Start actually giving us some weight through here. One week profits gone. Ugh, damn. In one day, but sucks, Queen. That's the lessons. That's the that's the stress. That's where we're at. Could have been the other way. You could have made whole weeks of profit in one day too, right? So it does shitty. Pick your head up. Don't lose confidence. Like I said, that could have been the other way around, and you could have made a week's worth of profit in one day. So unfortunately, this time it went the other way. But it doesn't dictate how you are as a trader. The sellers have orders in the supply, but buyers have market direction. It's good analysis, Pat. 9 more likes, family. 9 more likes to hit our 30 like stream goal, family. There's over 34 people watching right now. If everyone shows some love, we can smash our stream goal of 30 likes. I appreciate y'all for showing support. Head up, Danny. You got this, Queen. We love you. Let's go, Pat. Absolutely, we do. Way to pick her up. Just another day, Danny. Just another day on the markets. NASDAQ today is not being very gentle, but it is what it is. Galaxy, I love the energy. Look what I said, guys. 4 different times. You break the new high, giant sell-off candle, and then reclaim. Break the new high, giant sell-off candle, reclaim. Break the new high, giant sell candle, reclaim. Break new high, giant sell candle, and a reclaim. So NASDAQ is being predictable for these first 30 minutes of this hour of the morning. Eventually, I imagine this thing's starting to turn around, but could be wrong as well, because new high, sell-off candle, reclaim. That's what I'm seeing. Man, the way that we're auctioning sideways at these highs is tough. It's tough to take any short person's money, that's for sure. If you keep being short in this bias, it's so easy to find a bid or find an ask, and then all of a sudden barely breaking the new highs on you. And as soon as I just start switching over to that, we're cooked. Thanks, Pat. Of course, Queen. You did it before. You can do it again. Let's bounce back. That's it right there. You've done it before. You can do it again. There's nothing saying that that's not going to play out in the same fallacy. It's just what it is. It's probability. We're in a tough game. Do you have a P&L? Brian Barrett. I do have a P&L. For right now, I'm down 4,700 on this trade. 4,300, 49, 46, 45, 46. Unless that's not what you're asking. What do you mean specifically? Oh, my B. I see it now. Thanks. Of course, King. No worries. Of course, brother. No worries. Feels not very good right now, continuing to maintain this EMA over and over and over. I know when the sellers do end up taking this thing, they're going to take this thing, but maybe not. I mean, maybe we just keep pushing to the highs today. Maybe supplies just keep getting bought up. Every time we get a dip in, we get a reclaim. So I was trading the S&P. Now I'm doing the same as you. Let's go, Brian. NASDAQ is the way, King. Obviously, every trader has their own strategy. Every different market speaks to them differently, but me as a person, I just have found a lot of, again, I've been doing the NASDAQ, trading every single day at 9:30 on the 1-minute chart for over 2 years now, every single day. So I've built up enough experience with it that I feel more comfortable with it than with anything else. Like when silver was going crazy, I didn't trade silver. Right now, crude oil is going crazy. I'm not trading crude. ES and NASDAQ move pretty synonymously, so I don't mind looking at the two of them, but the way that they trade is differently, like in terms of like candlestick patterns. Getting a new eval, glad for the DLL. Funded lives to see another day, but it does suck. Exactly, Queen. That's what it's there for, is to protect you. It is frustrating, I know, but I'm glad you're being positive. Getting that new eval. Where are you trading it through? What's the prop firm? What lucky prop firm is getting Danny's attention right now? It's vital. Nazi following the trend line. She is consistently. So I just need to see a break. You see a little break of it. And I think if we do, it's going to get pretty heavy. Me waiting on the sidelines for almost 2 weeks already. Hey, that discipline is insane, though. Word. That discipline is what makes you a great trader, King. I truly mean that. Not a lot of people can do that, especially because you show up every single day, always watching the charts, always being a part of the community, seeing people make money, lose money, and yet you don't get the itch, or if you do, you fight it and stay disciplined not to trade. So hats off to you, King. That's impressive. Apex EOD, I love it. Apex is the way. Apex, they're clean. They really are. I like the new EOD strategy. You've been trading a lot of Apex, Queen. I like it. I really do. I like Apex right now myself. Obviously, code TFF as always, but you already knew that, Danny. But I like Apex just because of the new options. Like they've always been the best, one of the best. You can get that 6-7 figure payout, and now they're changing things up. So weekly VWAP is 787. 787, huh? That doesn't feel good. That feels like that's where we're hunting towards. Yeah, since the new rules, exactly. I feel like they put it back in our favor. It feels like right now, I was talking about this with my friend. It feels like right now is the first time in a long time that prop firms feel like they're kind of in our favor again. I feel like because they're trying to be so competitive with each other all the time and constantly updating new things, putting things in different perspectives, changing rules, changing accounts. Amidst all that, there's a little bit of an arbitrage again, an advantage for the trader. So it feels good. It feels like we're back in a decent money-making time. But 4 more, family. Keep on burn on them likes. 4 more likes for our 30-like stream goal, family. I know we're going to smash. Not only are we going to smash that 30-like stream goal, but the NASDAQ's going to come rip through this trend line and just support our price. And we're going to pass these Apex accounts right now. Right now, right, NASDAQ? Right? Like right now? Correct? Like no hesitation? No voodoo. There's a trend line. Now break. Now break this trend line. Tapping into it. Can we get momentum the other side of the charts? Show me some magic, NASDAQ. I care about you. Is that what you need to hear? That you have a friend on the other side? Because no matter what you do, I'll respect you. Even if you hurt my feelings. Because that's what friends do, right? We understand when you're going through a little tizzy. And if you're just having a day, you can have a day. You can blow up. I won't take it personal. But if you wanted to sell off through here and you just wanted to find some lower pricing, I'm going to accept you. So the range of today doesn't feel like the actual New York session range from the 620s to the 760s is only 140 points, right? So fairly small New York session, even though we have a giant overnight session range. So take that information for as you will. Sellers get a closure below the trend line. Can we get continuation now? We're just going to immediately reclaim it. Feels possible. We're going to start giving up our trailing drawdown again here soon. Anything over 400. NASDAQ is just stubborn today, not trying to move. I'm going to try a homemade Chipotle mayo this week, Ty. Homemade Chipotle mayo. Ooh. Obviously, I'll be cautious with that mayo. It's got high fat content, but a little chippy mayo sounds really sexy. I'm excited to see that and hear that progress. What are you putting it on? Burritos or tacos or nachos or a little burger bowl or light mayo? I like that. You already know. You're already crushing it. What was your last Wednesday's results? You don't have to tell me on here, but I'm excited. You've been crushing it consistently for months now, so it's only a matter of time you start seeing it in the right direction you want to see. Chicken and potatoes this week. Healthy. Incredible. Very, very healthy. New lows would be great here to cut through these 726s. I want to see an aggressive candle. We're below the trend line now. I want to see the sellers really start winning this. Again, today's actual New York range is very tight. Like, I was just down and up. I mean, I'm up right now, but it just doesn't feel like there's a lot of actual points to be traded. There's a little bit of weight. Tiny bit of weight now from the NASDAQ. You got to be careful. These sell candles being bid up every single time they sell off. Every single time they sell off, they get bid back up. So let's be patient here. But I do think sellers are finally maybe getting a little bit of control. We're through a trend line. We're coming into the top of the 15-minute range. I want to see these sellers just keep this pressure. It's a good candle closure down here. We got to start paying attention to our trailing drawdown. We're now giving up $1,000, so I got to just be careful. Good weight, though. Good weight from the sellers. Almost halfway. Ugh. See, I don't know how to read intraday trailing. I almost just want to let it roll. Holy cow. Yeah, we'll take that.
Order filled.
I'm going to just close that right there, family. We could keep selling off, but at any point, we're going to just turn around as well. So, we got a snipe. We only need, what do we need? We need 1,300 more, and then we're out of these. So, let's make it happen. Had a bottom ticket. We absolutely had to. Cannot give up our trailing drawdown. So, good shit, dude. Just got wrecked. Sorry, Brian. Hate it, King. Hate hearing that for you, but you're learning. You're on the process. Sellers absolutely winning down here. Again, it makes me feel like I could have probably held, but you just can't when you're trying to pass Apex accounts. We need 1,300 more now, though. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Bob the Builder. Can we fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, we can. Just got long. Okay, Brian, I liked it. Buying the pullback. I like the confidence to try to buy the pullback. I think I'm going to add a new short order. Up and around these 18s. That was a big sell rejection there. We were really struggling to push higher, so I like the idea that we could find some bids or some asks. I'm going to sell the top of the 15-minute range. Sell 20 limit. Up here at the 15s. Come give me a little touch and go, Nazi. Do your classic thing, girl. Do your dancey dance. Do your dancey dance. Where you just give me a little touch and go. A little taparoonie and biscuits over here. I'm just asking for a little something. I know I'm fading you right now, Brian, so good luck, King, but hey, who knows? Are you really not going to come all the way back up? 710s. 700 giving us some reaction right now. Some selling pressure. I also just need 1.3. Well, then, Matthew, let's find it, King. I love it. Good trading, King. We're right there. Going to have 10 Apex pass if we can get over this threshold. But right now, she's going to leave with us. Oh, look at this short. There's the selling. There's the selling, my boy. I was wondering when they were stepping in. I was hoping too, Pat. I mean, I knew that it was only a matter of time, but it was feeling like right now they were just buyers were having their way. Now sellers are just keeping this momentum train down, it feels like. Buyers are not finding any bids. Missed your trade, but W Green Day. Drop the likes. Drop the likes, family. How close are we to our 30 like stream goal? There's 30 people watching, so if everybody right now, despite where we're at, hits that button, I know we're over our goal. Sellers keeping the momentum, finding some more selling pressure. Where do we get out at? 696s. Okay. And still selling. I wanted a pullback, a little bit healthier of a pullback after all that pressure, but I guess we trapped a ton of liquidity. I'm willing to take any shorts here pretty much. Up 280 on my price action, calling it a day. Cha, you got to. Congratulations. Up 280 on an account you can get a payout out of, baby, is huge. Happy for you, proud of you, King. They could be targeting VWAP. I'm seeing that. I'm also seeing that we're possibly targeting at least somewhere into this wick. Here's a new lows below this swing. Again, I kind of expected a little bit stronger of a pullback. That's why I closed my position up there, just because that's intraday trailing. You got to. You've got to. Damn, boy, nice trade. I appreciate it, Spitzy. See if we can get some love here, though. Come on, don't just sell directly off. Give us a pullback. She's trading weird. Don't just sell directly off. Give us a chance. I guess willing to try one of the 7s. I think we could still come up into the 720s, unfortunately. You can pass them today. Yeah, I'm going to try, Spitz. Speaking of biscuits, we had some this weekend with sausage and gravy over them. Yeah, oh my, how was that, bub? Only 50 out of 10 or what? Only a 50 out of 10 situation popping up there? I think I'm going to sell one here at the... I'm going to sell one at the 700s, 696s, and if I do get filled, my second one's going to be up here at the 730s or 720s. But we could just reject this EMA here, so I'm trying to just get in just in case. ES bounced off the VWAP. ES is already at the VWAP? What? Oh, no, it ain't. If you refreshed on Duelan, it shouldn't be there yet. If you refresh, we shouldn't quite be there yet. It's close though. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's close. NASDAQ respecting that EMA, starting to sell back off towards the 680s. All we got to see is, if we do get a VWAP flash, we should be chilling. These accounts should be passed, but we'll see. We only need, a few more little respect points here. Should have, obviously now in hindsight, had both contracts loaded at the EMA there. It's just I still think we could push through, and so I'm waiting for another contract that is a 720 just in case. But I'd love to see the sellers win and bring us lower. We already broke through that swing low, and then buyers try to step back up, so it's a battle price. We'll see what happens. How long have you been day trading? I've got probably total like 3.5, 4 years of experience on and off, but every single day for the last 2 years nonstop, which is definitely attributed to most of my experience. Is just you show up every single day looking at the same market in the same time frame with the same chart. You start seeing things subconsciously that you wouldn't notice always before. NASDAQ trying to respect through the 680s. We have another sell contract at the 7s. I want to see us push on a little bit lower through this new swing low. I want to see these sellers and that momentum continue. We need $900 from here, so I would need 45 points. So I would need the 30s. So the 30s would be me passing this account, roughly, something like that. If I go by 10 limit, is that even possible to get down there before, our trailing drawdown gets affected? I don't know. I don't know what I don't know. I want to see this selling pressure, though. Interesting. So you don't look at the 30-minute chart or the daily. I look at the daily once a day. I look at the daily chart once a day every single morning to kind of get aligned. And then I have my hourly chart up here just for overall direction. And then I execute on the 1 minute. And between those 3 directions, usually I can find enough volume or momentum to get what I need. Here we go. Selling through now. We only need another 600 points, 30 points from here, family, and we're fucking home. Here comes the pressure. Sellers are winning into the 650s. Can we get down there? Beautiful reaction now. NASDAQ starting to behave into the 40s. We need 10 more points. Flashing at the 33s. Flashing us there. That was scary. Because now our intraday trailing is still being affected. What do we just get? We are 4 points away from passing our accounts. 4 points away from having some price actions. We definitely got to be careful. Cautious. Patient here. We should be okay. 57 out of 10. Oh my God, minimum. Minimum, Saucy, right? Really got a lot of strong selling volume into that previous wick. We got to be a little bit cautious just because if the bids are going to hold here, they could. What did the ES do? Did it end up finding VWAP yet? Nope. So it's auctioning the same way. So I have a lot of confidence that we will find lower. We just got to be patient. We were just teased there. We were 4 points away from passing. Crazy. And then the question is, family, do I buy 10 more and try to pass, so I have 20 to go, so I have maxed out on the PAs? Or do we just trade these 10 and then see if we can get a payout out of the 10 accounts? I don't know. Paxton has some with that too. He was a fan. He loves everything. He's eating the real grub now. Loving the real grub now. He's going to be a monster. He's going to eat it all. It's good that you're introducing healthier habits to your lifestyle now, Saucy. So much. Because like now this is when he's going to start eating healthy, like eating your guys' food, and seeing you guys eat healthier and be healthier is going to affect the way that his brain develops in terms of what he seeks as healthy or what's not. So I love it, buddy. I'm proud of you. You turned it on at the right time. Keep it going. There's 36 people watching, family. Can we get 6? Can we get over the 30 like stream goal? Hit the button if you haven't yet. Maybe you can help us find the 31s in the NASDAQ. If we can get to the 31s, we'll pass. Have some price action accounts. Feels like it's going to be soon. Another strong wick reaction. A lot of reasons that we could be looking lower here. And if we can just get over to that 30s, we'll have our price action accounts. That's a big reason why we were doing it. I love it. I actually love it so much. That's that motivation. You have external motivation, and it drives you. NASDAQ threatening us now. We're in the 38s. We need the 31s to have 10 price action or 10 performance accounts in Apex. It's auctioning. I think we're going to get a pretty big sell volume candle through the bottom of the 15-minute range here. I love that we're front running the bottom. All right. It feels very safe. And yet another bid back into the EMA here. 2 more W30s. We need 2 more likes to hit our 30 like stream goal, family. And we just got teased at 6 points and then 4 points from our TP. Give us our accounts, NASDAQ. Give me my accounts, Queen. Trading is suicidal. Blake. It's a weird game. It is, King. But we love it. We hit it, brother. We hit the 30. Let's fucking go, family. I appreciate every single one of y'all that showed love. Support the stream. Support me. It means the most. Look at that top tick right now. Would have been beautiful to get a full delivery rate to our bottom from top to bottom. And I think we still will, but we got to be a little bit more patient, obviously. Here we go, Queen. Come get us. Come feed us. Blink. Blink down there to the 31s. A lot of reasons to think that we have a safe TP. Good reaction. Good candle. Back into the 30s again. Now go ahead and feed to the 31s. Bang. Get there. New low. What was that? 3 points from TP. Someone's got a sick sense of humor today. Someone's got a sick sense of humor today, NASDAQ. Just go down. God. Can't even make it up. Another time. 3.5 points from TP. She figured it out. She figured out how to be a joker. She said, you know what? I'm going to tease you today. Making us be patient and shit. 3 points from a lows is crazy. 3 different times bouncing off that price. I still feel like there's no way that we have to worry about our intraday and get out. It feels like it's still a free trade to the lows. I think really where we're heading is through the bottom of the 15-minute range and really probably to VWAP more than likely. But she's doing a good job at teasing me. Not getting there yet. Because of this way that we're auctioning here, I think we're going to get pretty big sell volume spikes. Like we're probably going to cut through these 31s pretty aggressively. Probably right to VWAP, honestly. Excuse me. Like if I wasn't points away from TP and I was in like a performance account or I was in a funded account, I'd be looking to add another contract at this EMA right now. Front running, trying to anticipate a break at the bottom of the 15-minute range and trying to anticipate a VWAP tap. Can you just deliver though? I think we've been patient enough. You've teased us enough. Ha ha, the joke's on us. You got us. Go ahead and sell off now, Queen. Like I said, I think we're going to get a pretty gnarly spike towards VWAP. Just the way that we're going sideways. ES is almost at VWAP. Get down there. Get down there and pull the NASDAQ with you. Another EMA tap. There it is. 50,009. So we have 1,400 from here. Should be okay. Should be safe. Should be safe to look for the lows. But NASDAQ really, really figured it out. She said, I know how to trick you. I know how to tease you today. That's fine. We'll be patient. Full anticipation to get the delivery. ES is below, coming into VWAP. We have VWAP below in the bottom 15-minute range below. A weak bottom at those 34s. Hey, we'll see what happens here. But I appreciate y'all for hitting the 30 like stream goal, family. Really, truly means the most. Ever since getting back from vacation, you guys have been stepping it up, slapping the love, picking me up. Makes me feel great. Gets me out of my little funk. Let's go, NASDAQ. Nice reaction at the EMA. Give us a strong candle closure with a nice wick at the top. Stuck below the EMA strong there. And now sell. Strong sell candles. That's all we're looking for. I haven't seen anything that tells me that we're going to reverse here, but of course the NASDAQ has done crazier things. Did you tell these peeps about the windshield? I have not. I'm still so frustrated about that, dude. I don't even want to fucking think about it. Oh, so annoying. Still dealing with it. I don't even know how much it's going to cost me to fix, but it's so frustrating. Are we serious, though, that we just got teased by 3 points to our TP? Fucking 3 different times, NASDAQ. Nobody believes you. You're going to sell off. Just go down. If you're at retail and you're buying this right now, what are we doing? What are we doing? Here we go. Sell off through this EMA now. Or make me fucking regret. Yeah, no, I still am processing that windshield moment, Sausadelic. Not my happiest, not my proudest moment, not my most exciting. What did you do, Ty, with that windshield? It was a day. I'll describe it like that. Work. It was a day, my friend. Quick. It all happened so fast too. It was just frustrating. But I'll tell y'all. So I was literally driving, right? Driving. For whatever circumstance, just whatever, luck of the draw, fucking unlucky, whatever. My windshield wiper flies off my car, right? Super frustrating. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to NASDAQ. I'm gonna go over to Walmart. Let's go, fam. We got that account. What a delivery! I told you we were gonna sell off. It just had to make us be patient and weird. Like I told you, I would have also taken a second contract at the EMA. Confirmation below is very big, but there we go, family. 53,000. We have 10 Apex accounts that we just passed. Love it. Love it. So yeah, now we have 10 performance accounts. Again, the question is, do I purchase some more tomorrow and try to pass them to all keep them under? Anything under 2K profit will get you back in trailing drawdown. She saw my sell order there as well. Lost my 2 funded lucids after 2 payouts being down today. Now 400 from having 5 fundeds. Come on, Naz. You go see the VWAP. Go see the VWAP for the Corey. Let's go, King. Let's fucking go, baby. We did. We passed. All right. So, yeah. So, my windshield wiper flies off, right? So, I go to Walmart to buy a new one. I buy a new one. I look up on Google specifically for which one to match my car. It gives me an order number or a number, whatever. I buy it. I buy that one. I go put it on. I swear to you, I put on windshield wipers before multiple times. And the validation of this is I bought another one after this happened and it got on. But I could not get this windshield wiper on for the life of me. It would not go on. It was janky as fuck. Just did not fit and didn't go on. So in my tizzy, because I was already late to an event I was trying to get to. And I didn't want to, and it snowed that day. So I needed my windshield wiper just in case I was going to get shit kicked up on my windshield or whatever. So I was in a tizzy and couldn't get it on. Got frustrated, so I took it off. And also, by the way, I bought my car like this. The hood of my car sits on my wiper a little bit. So, like, I have to, like, really grind it up to get it up. It's not good. And I noticed that, obviously, it's, like, not a thing that you think to check before you buy a car at CarMax. Is like, oh, by the way, is my windshield wiper slide up properly? So I didn't check that. It doesn't slide up properly. There's a little bit of resistance on it. So when I push it back down to like get down, by the way, a metal hook. It's a metal hook when you don't have a windshield wiper on. So you should lay that thing down. But no, I pushed it down and it had extra momentum from the hood. So it just lands on my windshield and just shatters immediately. And then that just added to my fit. So I was on one. But look at the exit W. Look at the exit with a clean exit, but I still think we're heading lower. If I stayed in, I would have passed. Corey, no shot. There's your VWAP tap, King. NASDAQ did deliver. She just made you be patient for it today. Look, we got out at the 96s, but I got back in at the 96s. So we literally caught from 739 all the way down into 631. So we got a 100-point trade there to pass the accounts. We made most of it with 2 contracts and then sized down for the last bit. Oh, beautiful. How beautiful. We caught this entire sell move. That's amazing. Got out at the 96s, rejoined at the 96s on a pullback for continuation lower. Pass. Yeah, you did, Danny. Let's go, Queen. Passed her Apex end of day. First try, first time. I love it, Queen. Way to bounce back after having a tough DLL. I'm excited to load back up. Let's go, Pat. Me too, King. Really excited for you. Walmart needs to fix that. Not gonna lie, LOL. Oh, work. It was such a day, bud. I feel I took responsibility. Again, I could have laid it down. I could have laid down my wiper. Instead, I pushed it down, and then it just immediately shattered my windshield. So now I don't know how much it's gonna cost to fix it. Hope it's not too much, but it also means that the value of my car has gone down unless I replace the windshield altogether. So it's like, oh, fuck. W's all around for sure, Saucy. Let's go. Everyone's showing the love. I'm glad. Danny making some monies. Corey nearly passing his account. Just getting front ran. Nice to catch you live. Been watching you for 2 months. Let's go, Theo. Or the one-stop trader. I love it. Let's go, King. Means a lot. Hope you keep showing up. Keep showing up. Join the family. We love having you guys be live. It helps be able to share information. You can ask me any questions. I'll always share everything completely for free. Just sharing value. Pass. Let's go, Corey. Like it was not even difficult or something. Like it's not even difficult or something for you. Yo, I'm up 3K today. What's up? What up, D? Congrats, King. Proud of you, brother. Way to make that monies. We're up 3K in 10 accounts as well. And then we had a nice payout on Friday. So overall, trading's been pretty nice to us. We blew up some accounts this morning. Unfortunate. But we're able to get 10 more or 9 more. I bought 9 more because I already had 1. And yeah, now we have 10 accounts all over the threshold. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Pretty good. You know, pretty good. Like, pretty good. There's that VWAP tap. Breaking through the bottom of the 15-minute range. NASDAQ finally gave it all up. W, like the stream. AF. Let's go, D. Great stream. First time here. Great vibes. Jedi. Appreciate you for being here, King. Welcome to the family. Hope you stop by more often. Love having you guys live every single day. Yeah, like I said, this feels personal. You guys can ask me anything. I'm never going to hide anything. 10 more tie? Haha. I think so, Queen. I think that's going to be the play. I think I'm going to purchase 10 more and try to get them passed. And then I'll have 20 to go on the PAs. I think it's going to be the way I go about it. Can't do it today. We only have 8 to 7 more minutes, so I got to get out of here soon. But overall, a good day. We passed some accounts within just boom, boom, you know. 2 beautiful trades to pass. Gave me some confidence. It's the first time I've done that, so now I'm going to have some confidence to do it again in the future. Hopefully tomorrow as well, we can actually trade our TPT accounts, and they request my withdrawal, my 10K payout there, or technically 12, but they take their 2% or 20%. So, yeah, overall, stellar. It is 50% consistency with the PAs. 50 is nice now, though. Like, it used to be 30, and 30 was tough, but 50 is pretty sexy. So, overall, we're stoked with it. Very happy. Very, very happy. Family, if you guys haven't yet, let's show some love. Hit the like button. If you guys are new, join the community, subscribe, join the conversation, come back every day. We're doing it Monday to Friday, market open to 11 o'clock. It's what we do, baby. And I appreciate every single one of y'all that are stopping by every day. My community, my day ones. I love every single one of you guys. I hope trading was okay for you today. I know a lot of us hit some W's there at the end, so fucking proud of you guys. We'll be back doing it again all over tomorrow on a Tuesday. Hopefully we can make some more monies. But enjoy yourselves. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love, family. And we will be back doing it all over again tomorrow and for the rest of the week, baby. So I love y'all. Take it easy. Peace.